Hello, English Chicks. Welcome back at the rate English Chicks. Dear friends, as you all know, vocabulary has been a very important part of our communication system, and one word substitution are an integral part of that communication. In this video, I have brought 15 questions in the form of a quiz, and the level is basic. So don't forget to note down your score and write it in the comment when the quiz gets over. So without much delay, again, a suggestion and advice to subscribe the channel at the rate English Chicks if you have not. And if you have subscribed, don't forget to share it with your friends and relatives so that they can also get benefit. So should we start it? Let's proceed. One who cannot read or write. One who cannot read and write is called scholar, literate, illiterate, author. Yes, illiterate. Illiterate is the person who cannot read or write. The next question is, one who writes poems is called novelist, poet, singer, or painter? Very easy question. Yes, poet. A poet writes the poems. The next question is, one who flies an aircraft is called sailor, driver, captain, pilot. Yes, this is pilot. Pilot flies an aircraft. The next question is, one who cannot hear is called blind, mute, deaf, or dumb. It's deaf. Deaf cannot hear. The next question is, one who cannot speak is called deaf, blind, dumb, lame. Yes, it's dumb. Dumb. B is silent. Dumb. Cannot speak. The next question is, one who studies planets is called zoologist, chemist, botanist, geologist. Yes, it is botanist. A botanist studies plants. The next question is, one who studies stars is called biologist, physicist, astronomer, historian. Yes, it's astronomer. An astronomer studies stars. The next question is, one who loves books is called librarian, writer, bibliophile, publisher. Yes, B for books, B for bibliophile. A bibliophile loves reading books. The next question is, one who loves mankind is called patriot, miser, philanthropist, egoist. This is philanthropist. A philanthropist is a person who loves mankind. Let's proceed. One who speaks many languages is called bilingual, linguist, translator, or polyglot. Polyglot, right? It's polyglot. Poly means many, bi means two, but a polyglot knows and he or she can speak many languages. The next question is, a place where books are kept is called? Extremely easy question. Of course, this is library. The next question is, one who does not eat meat is called vegan, vegetarian, gourmet, foodie. Of course, vegetable, vegetarian, right? A vegetarian doesn't eat meat. The next question. A speech made without preparation is called lecture, debate, extempore, seminar. Yes, it is extempore. Extempore activity is usually conducted to enhance the speaking skill, right? Next question. One who is present everywhere, like God. God is present everywhere. So is called omniscient, invisible, omnipresent, powerful. Yes, your guess is right. It's omnipresent. Omnipresent means something, someone is present everywhere. The next question is, one who travels from place to place is called tourist, passenger, nomad, driver. Yes, nomad. Nomad is a person who travels from place to place and never stays at one place. So, dear all, that is the quiz on one word substitution. I hope you would have enjoyed it. And when you next time see one word substitution in Olympiads or in any competitive exam, hope you will be able to identify the words, right? So, in the end, share your score. What is your score? Is it 15 or 15 or anything else? Right? Now, again, in the end, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.